Hello, my friend. Yeah, what's going on? This is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video once again. And I really appreciate your time. And for doing this, I want to actually give you an opportunity to win cash gift this week. So what we do every week is we randomly select one of our subscribers, and that person win cash gift. So for this week, you're going to be winning equivalent of $20, irrespective of your location, where you are. And of course, next week, Monday, we're going to pick a winner and we'll publicly announce it in our next video. Okay, so how do you win, or how do you participate to win? So all you have to do is like this video, both on YouTube and Facebook. You like it, leave your comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and listen to this. You got to share this video on your Facebook profile. You copy the link, you share it on your Facebook profile, and you will send us an email to info@tradermatic.net, info@tradermatic.net, to show us proof that you just did that. Once you have done that, you're going to have a chance to be the winner. Okay, so every week, once again, we randomly select one from our videos that have the highest number of views and comments, and we pick one person. So I hope that is going to be you. So make sure, go ahead right now, like this video, subscribe, leave your comment, share it on your Facebook profile, and send us an email. Just 5 tasks. It won't take you more than 1 minute to do that, and you have chance to win $20 equivalent. So for example, in Naira, that would be 7,500 Naira. So we're going to be picking one person like that for the next 20 weeks. Just palliative gift to you. God bless you.